Okay. Can you draw me and Daddy? Draw me and Daddy.
And a big?
Yeah, draw me and Daddy.
And I was here. And the other eye? And the mouth?
And then draw Mommy now.
A little bit. Oh, I can do it.
Okay. Look at that. Okay.
1 out of 3, 3.
The other eye?
What is she doing? She drew all that. What are you drawing, Lila?
I'm drawing Mama. Mama. And I count Bubble Mouth.
What about the nose and the mouth? What about the nose and the mouth?
Okay.
You're going to draw another one? Here, let's draw another one.
Okay, Mama. Yes, yes.
Okay, you draw right here. You draw the whole body, the head and the body and the legs and the arms, okay? No, make a small one. Okay, do Daddy. Draw Daddy.
I don't have Daddy, Mom.
Oh, okay. Draw Tyler now.
Okay, him. One eye. This.
The nose. And the nose. And the mouth. Wow! That's so awesome! What's that? It's the neck?
Upside down.
Oh, wow! Does he have hair? Yeah? He has hair? Oh, yeah.
Let's show Daddy.
Does he have ears? How about ears? Good job.
Daddy, Lila.
Okay, let's draw Nathan now. Can you draw Nathan?
Yep.
Draw his whole body. Yeah? You draw his head and his legs and his feet. Okay, draw Nathan.
That's really good.
What? That's
Draw Nathan. Draw Nathan.
No.
Find the word yacht.
What happened?
This is the correct answer. Yacht. Right.
Oh, that was his nose.
Find the word gift. Gift.
Okay, what about his?
Excellent.
Okay, draw another one. Draw a small head and the body. Make the head here and the body.
And me.
Like the one you drew for Grandma last night. Do that one. Draw Lai Lai.
Okay.
Eh, here
Excellent.
she goes again.
Find the word heart.
Look at that guy.
H. Heart.
Good job. Do it again.
Excellent.
First I have to start over. First you turn it off.
No, just fairy. She's asking for fairy.
F. Fairy.
Good Good job.
Winner, winner, winner. Winner, winner, winner. Winner, winner, winner.
Yeah,
Who's the
you
winner?
won't win
Who's the winner?
if I kick you. If we give in a bucket.